to. Yes, we can start.
So we're starting?
We're starting. So pick a spot. We're going to color it in as much as we can. Okay? I'm going to go down here. Color the grout as well, the gray stuff. And then we'll go inside after this and we'll cool down and then we'll go to...
I lost my hands.
Yeah. Keep going. So we're standing off to, oh, there we go.
There's a little spot at the top.
Okay, can we move off to the side, y'all? Pick a side.
Looks good.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to SillyFunVideos. If you want to view any of these 4 videos currently playing, their links are in the description for this video. Thanks for watching.